friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas Pikachu. So first we're going to get started with the hat. So for the bottom here, we're just going to curve this line over and then out on the right. On both sides now we're going to curve this line out and then in on a diagonal. And then now we're going to close this off on the top with another curved line from left to right. Moving up above now for the ear, on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line over and out towards the side of our page. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side and replicate that. Now from here, from the point on the top, we're just going to curve this line back under and in towards the side. And then on the bottom here, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top on the right. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. For the hat on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line in towards the top. On the left-hand side now, moving up, we're going to bring this line over towards the middle and then in. And then starting back on this line now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the right. Now drawing in the pom-pom for the Santa hat, coming over on the left-hand side here, we're just going to draw a nice big circle. And then we're going to continue this line down here as we come underneath our ear, connecting that. And then again, as we come underneath, we're just going to curve this line in. Now let's close off the face. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now for the cheek, we're going to bring this line further out and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right from that corner, curving this line around and blending that in on the bottom. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And now we're going to leave a gap moving over on the left hand side, and we're going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. In the top left hand corner now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight of the eye. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over to the right hand corner of our left eye. Now for the nose in the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come in, joining at a point in the center. Now from here for the mouth, starting in the middle, we're going to curve this line up and over on the left. And then we're going to curve this up and over on the right. Let's draw in a nice big arch line now on the left. So we're going to curve this line down and then back up on the right. Closing off the tongue now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the cheeks now, in the corner here, we're going to draw in a circle, connecting that from the cheek. So we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now let's move down and draw in the Santa jacket. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line out on the right. And then now we're going to move over and curve this out on the left, ending that at the same height. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left, curving this line all the way around and then in. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. We'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right, blending that in. Moving down now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then again, like we did on the top, from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same on the opposite side. Let's draw in the belt buckle now. So coming up above on the left, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. In the middle, we're going to draw in another square, so we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. We're going to draw 2 straight lines that come up on both sides. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with another straight line from left to right. In the middle, let's draw our straight line coming up towards the center. And then on both sides, again, we're just going to replicate that. Let's close off the belt strap now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. We'll move across on the left and replicate that. Moving in towards the bottom now, again, we're going to curve this line up. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in our arms. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in this diagonal line that comes down on both sides. From the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the side. Now let's draw in our hands. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to bring this line out and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Again, we're going to bring that across 4 more times, drawing in a zigzag pattern. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. Now let's close off the rest of the body and the feet. So coming underneath on the left, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. For the feet now, we're going to curve this line over and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this line out and then back in on top. Now from here, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines that come in towards the middle. And lastly, let's just draw in our tail. So on the side here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out and then in towards our arm. Again, on the bottom, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. From that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards the side of our page. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line all the way over and in towards the side of the head. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Pikachu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.